In this tutorial, we will explain how to use the menu element. To add a new menu, drag a menu to the relevant location in the page. From the menu pop-up, insert the relevant menu name. Click on Add Menu Item and select the item you wish to add to your website. Page. Choosing this option will allow you to link the menu item to an existing page within your website. Name the menu. Insert the item name that you wish to appear on your menu button. Open in a new window. If you wish the page to open in a new tab, check this box. You also add links and anchors to a menu. Link. Choosing this option will allow you to link your menu item to an external page. Anchor. An anchor allows you to create a link to a section within the same page. Using the anchor tool, you can also create stunning single-page websites. How to create a drop-down menu, subpages. From the top left, click on Website. Click on Pages and Menus. From the Pages and Menus drop-down window, click on Menus. In order to create a subpage, simply drag the arrow to the right and click on the OK button. If you want to change the menu style, click on the menu and then click on Menu Style.